Hey y'all, it's me Brittany and I'm back with another video. Happy Singles Day. I'm going to be showing you a makeup look to get you a man, even though we don't need a man. So first we're going to start off with a clean base, and I'm going to clean my face with witch hazel and then moisturize, because you know we can't be no dry girls, like that's not cute. But then I put my eye mask under my eyes because I have bad dark circles and they be dry and crusty and that ain't cute. So yeah, then I do my eyebrows. I'm not gonna give a tutorial because I suck at doing eyebrows and I always look confused or angry with my eyebrows, so you know, I'm not gonna tell y'all about that. Okay, so then I try to clean up my brows, but you know, like I said, I suck at doing my brows. But then I start concealing my eyes as an eyeshadow base, and I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Tan, and I just, you know, dab that all over my eye, blend it out with the brush, and then I set it with a Airspun setting powder. Transition and crease color, I take Love Letter and Venetian Red from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I blend it slightly above my crease. And this is a tip for hooded eyes to like actually get your makeup to show up and not like disappear when you open your eyes. Then I take Buon Fresco, I think it's called, from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I put it in the inner half of my eye just to blend it out because it's a soft pink color. I mix the colors Vermeer and Red Ochre and put it all over my lid to make a soft, shiny pink color. Then I take Vermeer and Timber and I put it in my inner corner of my eyes just to brighten it all up. Then I applied glitter with my NYX glitter primer, and I used the NYX gold glitter. Putting glitter on is so hard for me. It took forever. I don't know why, but yeah, I just put glitter on my lids. Then I took my eye mask off because I was done with the eyeshadow. Then I apply mascara before I do my eyelashes, and I applied the Ulta Lengthening Mascara and the NYX Badonkadonk Mascara. Then I applied my Ardell Demi Wispies. I didn't show it because I struggled with eyelashes forever, and y'all, it ain't cute, it ain't cute. So now we move on to the face. So for primer, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Rose Gold Primer and the Baby Skin Poreless Primer. I apply the Rose Gold one under my eyes and like on my chin where I want to be highlighted, and the Baby Skin everywhere else where I want to be matte and make sure my foundation sticks. Then I start color correcting, and I use the Hard Candy Orange corrector, and I mix it with the Urban Decay Yellow corrector to make like this orange peachy color, just so I can cover up all my hyperpigmentation spots in the places that are dark. Then I apply foundation. I use the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 340, which I think is Cappuccino. Then for under my eyes, I take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer again, in the LA Pro Girl concealers in the color Fawn and Pure Beige, and I kind of mix it and just do it under my eyes. Then I set my face with the Sasha Buttercup powder, and then I applied the excess all over my face just to set my whole face. Then I bronze up my face with the Black Radiance Contour Palette. Then I take some pinky warm eyeshadows and use it as a blush. Then for my favorite part, it's time to highlight. I used a Wild and Alluring palette in the pinky color, and I use it as a highlight, and I put it all over my nose and the high points of my cheeks. For lips, I used the Ulta Matte Lip Cream in the color Tender and topped that off with a clear gloss. And here's the final look, guys. I kind of took the bright light off so you can see like the true color. I really like it. I know I'm not the best at makeup, but I had really fun and hope you guys can learn something or do this makeup look as well.